To find relative volume on Webull, start by understanding what relative volume is. Relative volume, or RVOL, is a technical indicator that compares the current trading volume of a stock to its average trading volume over a specific period. It helps traders and investors identify unusual changes in trading activity, which can be a sign of potential price movements. First, open the Webull app and navigate to the stock you want to analyze. Once you are on the stocks page, click on the chart icon to open the chart view. In the chart view, you will see various technical indicators and tools. To find relative volume, click on the Indicators button, which is usually represented by a small chart icon with a plus sign. This will open a list of available indicators. Scroll down and select relative volume from the list if you cannot find it. You can also use the search function to type in relative volume. Once you have added the relative volume indicator to your chart, you will see a new line or histogram below the main chart. This line or histogram represents the relative volume of the stock. A value above 1 indicates that the current trading volume is higher than the average trading volume, while a value below 1 indicates that the current trading volume is lower than the average trading volume. To interpret the relative volume, look for values above 2 or 3, which can indicate unusually high trading activity. This can be a sign of a potential trend reversal or a breakout. On the other hand, values below 0.5 can indicate unusually low trading activity, which can be a sign of a potential trend continuation. When using relative volume, it is essential to combine it with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to get a complete view of the market. This includes looking at other technical indicators, such as moving averages and RSI, as well as fundamental analysis, such as earnings reports and economic news. By following these steps and using relative volume in combination with other analysis tools, you can gain a better understanding of the market and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.